Hey guys, what's up? And today we are back with another Let's Play video. And today we are going to be continuing our journey with Two Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. So, let's get into the video. And please leave a like and subscribe. And let's do this. Okay, continue. Okay. Huh. Oh yeah, we're back. We're back here. Okay. Come on, Naya and Nai, let's do this. Okay. Hey, Carrie, the Griffin. How's it going? It's going good, boys. I'm just stuck in this cage. Thanks for asking. No problem, Carrie the Griffin. Come on, Nai, you got this. Do some parkour. Oh, wait. No, not yet. Okay, now. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Hey, Carrie, the Griffin. Okay. Now let's get on. Hop on, little bro.
Leela.
Okay.
Leela.
Okay.
Leela.
Okay. Okay. Come on, Carrie. The Griffin. Let's ride. Okay. Let's ride. Whee! That would be so cool to ride a Griffin. Don't you think, guys? Because I think that would be cool. Thanks, Carrie. What's the matter, Carrie? Carrie! Carrie? Did she just get killed? Wow. Not even 3 minutes in and a first death. Oh. Rest in peace, Carrie. Oh. Naya's having flashbacks about him and his dad fishing. Cool. A father and son fishing trip. Cool. Don't worry, boys. We'll save your father, no matter what it takes. Rest in peace, Carrie the Griffin. You were a brave Griffin. Even though we only met you a few minutes ago. So yeah, rest in peace, Carrie Griffin. Okay. This is good. This is a good game. Even though it's a few years old now. Okay. bro. I'm sad that Carrie died. I don't care. Yeah? Oh, just messing with you, bro. Carrie was a cool griffin. Yeah, she was, bro. Whoa. Giants. A giant dead body of a knight. Jeez. So I'm guessing they're the tiny people and they live in a world of giants. Huh. Oh, another dead body. Man. Huh. What the heck was that? Naive, stay close. Okay. Man, this is creepy. Naya, can you help me out here? Of course not. Oh, jeez. I'm guessing this is the arm of a woman? Maybe? Okay. Rest in peace, all the fallen warriors. Whoa, a sword. It must have been a battle. Huh. Don't sniff the dead body, Naya. That's gross. Oh, jeez. What in the world happened here? Oh, jeez. Huh? Oh, jeez. Huh? Huh? Okay, so...
Yeah.
Come on, boys. Let's do this. Don't let me drown, Naya. I'm scared. I won't, bro. Huh. There must have been a battle going on. That must explain all the dead bodies. Okay. Okay, so we can't go there. Let's go here. Come on, bro. I'll give you a boost. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, bro. Eh. Okay. You got this, Nai. Come on, bro. We don't have all day. Okay. Watch this thing snap. Oh. Heh. Oh, it didn't. But imagine if it did when I just said that. Heh. Man. There's a guy who got shot. Jeez. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, jeez. Well, that's one way how to get rid of a dead body. Jeez. I'm still getting used to the controls. After not having played it for a while. Okay. Come on, Naya and Nai. Okay, so we can't go through here. Oh, so we moved the legs. Okay. Oh. Didn't even see this before. Ready to jump? Yeah, bro. Good job, little bro. Thanks. Okay. Man. I wonder what happened here. Okay. Okay. Come on, boys. Do it for your father. You got this. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, gosh. They cut off the guy's leg. Well, that guy's leg. Jeez. Bro, I want to sit. No time for saying. We gotta save our dad, bro. Okay. There must be... Oh. I keep on missing the... I keep on missing these logs. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, a crossbow. Cool. Looks like we're gonna shoot an arrow at something. Oh, I bet at that woman's head.
Atta!
Okay.
Atta! Yeah!
Oh. Come on, bro. Let's shoot this. This one's for you, Carrie the Griffin. Yeah! Oh. This one's for you, Carrie the Griffin. Ooh. Headshot.
Oh, Nai! Yeah!
Huh. I have no idea what they're saying. Huh. Huh. Call the You sounded the giant horn. Huh. Cool. Now let's get on to our quest, Nai. But bro, it's scary. Scary. You just watched the giant woman get shot in the head. If you aren't scared of that, you aren't scared of nothing. But she was dead. Yeah, you do have a good point. Just stay close to me, Nai. Heh. Just playing around, guys. Heh. Huh? Sounds like people down there. Man. going under red water fall. What the heck? Oh, I thought they went down it for a second. Huh? Oh, jeez. Is that blood? I think it's blood. Okay. 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 People with spears and bow and arrows shooting at spiders. Huh. I guess they're fighting spiders. Come on, little bro, and stay close to me. Okay? Huh? Ah, jeez. Huh. They got a woman held hostage. Huh. Whoa. Don't worry, woman. We'll save you. Okay. Come on, little pro. Don't make a sound. Okay, I won't. Let's just save this woman. Okay. Oh, where? Okay. Oh wait, I think you go down here. Yeah. Oh, we're disguising ourselves. Huh. Oh. We're making them think that we're one of them. Huh. These boys are actually pretty smart. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Huh. Bet you weren't expecting that, huh? Come on, we need to get over here. Okay. Go! Come on, Nai. Let's do this. I'm coming, bro. Thanks. Jeez. That was close. Oh, now we're in a cave. Let's check in on her. Or she's just gonna lead us here.
Mahamida.
Arama.
Iya dahi.
Mabi here.
Okay.
Mahamida.
Come on. girl. Let's go. Oh, so we're steering the boat now. Man. Wow. Okay. This is gonna be pretty hard to steer. Okay. Okay. We're rowing down. We're riding on a river with a girl we just met. Huh. Man, this is an incredible setting. Huh? Huh? What the heck? What is that? Oh, whoa! A whale! I think it's a type of humpback whale. Huh. This would be so cool to do in real life. Huh. Man. Okay. Okay. Man. Okay. Jeez. Okay. 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 See you, whales. Heh. Jeez. Dead body. Or bones. Okay. That was way too hard. Oh, thanks. Huh. Okay, come on, little bro. Let's do this. I don't know, bro. This is scary. Okay. It's kind of like ice skating. Heh. Except it's on ice. Heh. Okay. These boys are amazing at doing parkour. Naya and Nai. Two brothers on an adventure. Oh, it's a turtle. Hey, Turtle. I'm gonna name you Gregory. Gregory the Turtle. Heh. How's it going, Gregory?
Ota.
Heh. Come on, bro. You want me to show off in front of your lady? Oh, shush. Oh, be quiet, Nai. She is not my lady. Yeah, right. Can we pick it up, boys? Yeah. Okay. 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 Took you long enough. Oh, shush. Oh, be quiet, Nai. Come on, let's go. Hmm? Hmm.
Una.
Huh? Oh.
Ota. Iti. Mishula.
Di mabu Malia. Ata. Di mabu Malia.
Okay.
Iti. Mishula.
I'm gonna say her name's Malia.
Iya.
Okay. Oh, a saw. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Two bros sawing a tree down. Whoa. Oh. They wanted to get the saw. That makes a lot more sense. Okay.
Kaya. Una.
Okay. Okay, Malia, we're doing it. Cutting the tree down, I
Kaya.
mean.
Kaya.
Hmm.
Una.
Oh, timber. Hit. Okay. They kind of do remind me of Sean and Daniel in a way, from Life is Strange 2. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Oh. Didn't even notice this until now, but that might be a dead body. Or maybe just snowmen.
Kaya. Una.
Ata.
Man, this is incredible. So I'm guessing the army is ramming the gates.
Iya.
Because they want to break in. Heh. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna catapult
Atu.
our way in.
Raba.
Hold on, Malia. Heh. And we never saw her again. Heh.
Da.
Oh, wait, we don't need to use the catapult. Thanks, Nai. No problem, bro. Okay. Oh. Okay. Huh? Oh! What the heck is that? Yeah. Whatever it is, it's invisible. Okay. Nai, hurry up. I'm trying.
Otai! Kaya? Tia! Ah!
Okay. Come on, Naya. Oh. Oh. Still getting used to the controls. Okay. Heh.
Atta!
Whoa. Okay.
Iya! Da!
Ato!
Thanks, Amelia.
Ia!
I guess. Huh. Okay. Hold still, Nai. Run! Something suspicious about Nalia,
Muna!
or whatever her name is. Man, what a view. Eh. That wasn't...
Ota!
Jeez. Okay, run! Imagine breaking your leg while running from a monster like that.
Kaya?
That would suck. And you would probably be dead.
Atta!
Okay. Hold on tight, boys. Okay. And now we can let go. We're pretending to be snowman. Cool. Oh, jeez. on, Nalia. Oh, Christ. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Run! Okay. We just gotta follow. Oh, God. Okay. You gotta be
Kaya?
You gotta be a faster runner, Nai. It wasn't my fault. Oh, crud. Okay.
Una.
Oh, Naya. Okay. I think I know what to do now.
Kaya?
Oh, jeez. Okay. Run! Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay, that was tough. Huh.
あのバディ
Huh.
Maya,
Huh.
Alila,
Okai.
Kaita
Eva.
Huh.
Ah,
Huh. Quit with your flirting, you two. Huh. 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 Okay. That was close. Man. The northern lights are pretty. Look at that. Wow. Sure is pretty. What's...
Naya,
いい
Tia Lila, Tahon, Ta,
なあティアマ
Huh.
Ila Naya, Ila.
なあタマ
He's saying when we shouldn't go through there, Naya. Huh. Huh? Jeez. What is this place? Huh? Man. Okay. Huh. Whoa.
ヒラ
Huh? Huh? Mayla? You okay? Huh? 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 What the heck? Mila? Oh, Christ. Wait, she's a spider? That's why those red people were... had her tied up. She was an enemy of theirs. Oh, jeez. And Maya just kissed a spider. Okay. Let's do this. I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh, jeez. Oh. Looks, I'm gonna end this episode here. So anyway, guys, if you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. But until next time, guys, I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Bye, guys.